So I've made the video of Book Fair, Kolkata Book Fair 2025, and this time the difference from not last to year, I think 4-5 years back I went to Book Fair. So this time the difference was the initiation of paperless map through Kolkata Book Fair application in smartphone. So very innovative and very much easy to use. So all you need to do is you have to get the application through a QR code which will be there at the entry gate, and once you get the application, you download it, install it, and they will tell you what are the stalls, where are the gates, everything they will tell you. You click on that, they will give you your current location, and from your current location you can reach that particular gate or stall very easily. Absolute live tracking is possible. So this is the newest addition to the book fair. In my last visit, which I did through my Renault Kwid Climber car, that time we used to carry big we used to get big paper map, very big size paper map, and you have to see here and there, you have to scratch your head, use your brain, everything you have to do to reach that particular desired location, desired stall. But this time it is very easy. Live tracking is possible. You can reach there, be it a Jane's toilet or be it a desired stall. So just enjoy the video, and I hope you will love the entire sequences. Planning to go to book fair through local train and metro stations. The nearest book fair metro station is Karunamai metro station. So let's see. Boarded the Shialdah local train from Bagaji railway station. I think there are 2-3 stoppages in between Shialdah and Bagaji. So once I will get down at Shialdah railway station, I will inform you. So you can see in Shialdah there are two paths. One towards Salt Lake Sector 5, this one, it is currently running. Another is towards Howrah Maidan. So currently trial run is happening because of Bowbazar debacle. So probably in next 1 or 2 months it will. They have told that within March mid, train from Howrah to Shialdah will be started. So let's see. So I'm going to the book fair, Karunamai railway station. So eagerly waiting for the metro. That's it. So this is book fair from metro.
পরবর্তী স্টেশন করুণাময়ী। দরজা বাঁ দিকে খোলা হবে। গাড়ি এবং প্ল্যাটফর্মের মাঝের দূরত্ব খেয়াল করবেন।
अगला स्टेशन करुणामयी। दरवाजे बाईं ओर खुलेंगे। कृपया गाड़ी और प्लेटफॉर्म के बीच की दूरी का ध्यान रखें।
Next station is Karunamai. Doors open on the left.
Karunamai metro station here in book fair. Annual book fair of Kolkata is taking place. So I'm going there and visit. So that's it. I'm coming from Shialdah. So let's see. Outside the gate of metro station Karunamai, you will see this ad wherein they will say the direction of book fair. Kolkata book fair. This is Karunamai metro station. So I'm going towards the Kolkata book fair. I once came to this book fair with my car, Renault Kwid Climber. So that time the metro station was not built. So I thought that why not use the metro this time and reach Kolkata book fair. Everything is well decorated. This is metro station, Karunamai metro station. Karunamai metro station. And this is Kolkata book fair. This is gate number 7 of book fair 2025. This is Germany and India. This is Germany and India book location. Let's see. Let's go inside and see. This is the flag of Germany. This is India. So finally entering this book fair from gate number 7. So this is is actually in my school and high school days we used to come to this place. That time it was not here. It was actually being held in Esplanade or Maidan. So thereafter there were a lot of chaotic situation in and around Esplanade. So Chief Minister Mamata Didi actually changed the location to Salt Lake. See, the Karunamoi metro station is completely located to our book fair, Kolkata book fair. So let's move here and there and see what are the things here. Here you can see the song sung by a lady. Time in book fair, Kolkata book fair, you will get a paperless map. So what you need to do is you have to scan a QR code just at the entry of the gate number 8, and after installing that app, you can roam here and there. They will allow live tracking. So whichever bookstore you want to visit, you can just click on that particular bookstore and they will give you a live tracking and you can reach there. So my initial steps were to find toilet. So finally I able to find gents toilet. So I was just trying to test it and find that the live tracking is absolutely perfect in nature. You can easily reach there. So there is nothing problem in it. So stay tuned for more updates. This is a famous Oxford Press of Park Street. So they have also put a stall here. This is Sanando, the famous Sanando Bajar Potrika. Ajkal. I have entered from gate number 7. There in Germany and India was there. So this is a theme pavilion. So Germany stall is there. So Germany 2025. So I'm going to enter probably not from here, the other side I think. From there. Okay. So I'll go there. So Germany 2025. So I've been to Germany in 2008, I think, Hanover. From there, so I thought that it will be better to give a visit to these country book stalls. So this scholarship is still existing. This is a DART scholarship. So when I was in engineering, so I did not get the DART scholarship. I got the other scholarship from Germany. So this is famous DAT scholarship from post office. You can able to initiate this scholarship. If you want to study in Germany, then you can initiate or you can apply for DAT scholarship. So and you can go to this renowned. First you have to get the recommendation from the respective college and then you have to apply for that scholarship. Once you get the scholarship, everything there, right from traveling till staying, lodging, everything, eating, everything is free. So this is a famous scholarship, that scholarship. Anybody from India can apply. They prefer technical people. So that's it. So you can see this is January 2025 and you have seen the DAT scholarship. So that kind of scholarship you can, any technical college, be it from Jadavpur University or be it from Shivpur University or IIT Kharagpur or other IIT. Right now there are 26 IITs in India. There are a lot of possibilities to get into Germany because Germany, as you have heard, perhaps you have past history, where in modern history they are telling that technically German people are very appealing in nature, so very sound in nature. So you can see Germany is Einstein, the great Einstein is from Germany. Basically Jews, I think Jews are from Germany, and followed some dispute they have been outcasted, in fact made to move out of Germany. So you can understand technically German people are very sound in technicality, and probably because of that they actually initiated DAT scholarship, wherein you can get technical assistance to their university admission. So that's it. Been to Spain, Barcelona. So the stall is very small, so we are not going to enter there. So probably Spain is not famous for education as such. Very small stall is there. But anyway, I can give a visit to Spain as well. Let's see what are the things are there in Spain. So La Rambla Street, I have been to La Rambla Street. So you can understand, I have been to Germany with this stall, Germany 2025. I have been to Spain, Peru. Personally, I have been to these countries in 2008 with Schengen visa. So with that scholarship and not that scholarship, that kind of scholarship, can go to that kind of places. So yes, France. Let's visit France. I have been to France, so let's visit where is France. France, I probably think France is not there. France, I think British Council, France, I think nahi. Okay, so this is Penguin brand. So I had this Guinness kind of GK book, wherein this Penguin publisher was printing that book. So it has 6. See, the metro is going from upstairs. I'll catch the metro. So stay tuned. So this is Bureau of Indian Standards. So in high school science, what happens is that the first chapter in physics will be standards and measurements. So therein they will tell what are the basic standards through which we are able to measure measure means you can weigh, you can measure, or what else. So they keep a standards of measurement. If it is in centimeter, they will keep a standard centimeter. If our measurement is in meters, so we keep a standard meter, maybe made of some steel rod or something. Our measurement in weight is kg, so we keep a standard. So this is a kind of a bureau or a rules and regulation wherein they can measure, they can keep the frame of reference for measuring. So looking at this book fair, I have been reminded of this high school physics class 11 chapter. So that's it. This is a famous guild house publishers and booksellers. This physics Walla publication is basically I don't know, in WhatsApp channel. In WhatsApp channel you can see this physics Walla channel. Probably from there they have come in. Basically they teach physics. So there is a single comics bookstore in Kolkata Book Fair. So we have been associated with these characters, Naruto, Superman, Batman, all these characters. But only a single bookstore stall. Tintin is there. So these are our childhood comics books. Naruto is well famous. Naruto Shippuden is there. Is very famous. Especially the college students will understand. College level comics. And Superman, Batman are kids level and above kids level definitely. It's only a single comic store. So let's see what are the newer comic books have come. So that's it. I think finally reached a comics counter you have seen and bought the Naruto cards. Naruto with Shintaro, Shuto and Sakura-chan. So very famous character in my in college days and then post college days. So those are the cartoon characters. Still that cartoon is still coming. When I was in Germany that time also that cartoon actually was initiated. Very inspiring, and these characters are still lingering in my mind, and moment I saw that cards I bought it. So anyway, that's it. I believe this is the end of book fair. Tomorrow is the last day of book fair, 9th February. So and obviously I'll take the exit now by Kurunamui metro station. So that's it, and I wish you a nice night. Stay tuned for more updates and videos in my channel, Ronnie's Identity, and I wish you once again bye.